Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1992 Ferrari 512 TR replica, listed for $18,999 US in Richmond, Texas. It is an automatic transmission and from the seller's description. No trades, built by CK3 Design in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, on a 1984 Pontiac Fiero chassis that has been extended, custom suspension with coilovers, 3800 SC engine, automatic transmission, runs and drives good. Front headlight motors need replacing or wiring. Headliner needs replacing. The paint job is a 10-footer. And up next we have this 1998 Dragon Kit Car Open 2-seater, listed for $25,000 Canadian in Thames Centre, Ontario. It is a manual transmission and from the seller's description. 1998 C5 Corvette based kit car, modified LT1 Corvette engine, aluminum chassis, kit supplied by Dragon Sports Cars in New Hampshire, no interest in trades, open to offers within reason. Alright, here we have a 1924 Ford T-Bucket, listed for $11,900 US in Jefferson, Georgia. It's been driven 2,500 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1924 Ford T-Bucket convertible, good running fun, small block Chevy 327 V8, 2-speed power glide, ready to cruise, no trades. Okay, up next we have this 1982 Mini Mark, listed for $7,500 US in Hiawassee, Georgia. It's been driven 17,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description. Registered in Georgia, excellent condition, runs and drives great. Okay, we have a second Ferrari today. Here we have a 1948 Ferrari 166 Spider Corsa, listed for $20,000 US in Meridian, Idaho. It's been driven 89,049 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, replica of a 1948 Ferrari 166 T48 Corsa Spider based on a Triumph GT6 chassis, only one known to be imported to the US, rebuilt 2.5 liter Triumph 6-cylinder, 4-speed with overdrive transmission, new tires, master cylinder, brake booster, spark plugs, fresh fluids, transmission, differential, coolant, clutch, and brake fluid. Front timing cover, oil pan, and trans pan just resealed. Alright, here we have a 1969 Volkswagen Vendetta, listed for $25,000 US in Paris, Kentucky. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, 1969 Volkswagen Vendetta, runs and drives, nothing wrong with it, $25,000 or best offer. Okay, here we have a 1974 Kellison Sea Cab Delivery, listed for $9,500 US in Ballston Spa, New York. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, very rare, it is on a 1974 VW Beetle Pan, New York title, 6-cylinder Corvair with a Powerglide automatic transmission, starts, runs, drives, stops. Training will not shift out of first gear. I am told it needs a new E-clip in the valve body or the cable adjusted or the module. This can be done in the car. I also have brand new side windows / curtains that match the seats. For sale or interesting trade. And here we have a 1961 Austin Healey replica, listed for $32,900 Canadian in South Bruce Peninsula, Ontario. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, professionally built car, built in 1991, 5-liter Mustang roller cam engine, nice interior. Okay, here we have a 1976 Maxi Taxi, listed for $8,500 US in Rowley, Indiana. From the seller's description, 1976 VW Maxi Taxi, runs great, 4-speed transmission, rear engine 1600cc, fiberglass body, great for car shows, parades, and cruises. Alright, so while these were a factory built car, they were shipped as kits to the US to bypass import regulations. Here we have a 1980 Puma GTS listed for $17,500 US in Winter Garden, Florida. It's been driven 8,250 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1980 Puma GTS, last year of the GTS model in chrome bumpers, VW 1600cc air-cooled engine with 2 carburetors, black interior, original soft top. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.